up, y'all? JazzJanay here, and I've been gone for probably like 2 weeks now. And just wanted to let y'all know, your girl walked across the stage this weekend.
JazzJanay Vegan. Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Let's go, TT.
It was such a surreal feeling, even though like I already graduated, I was already done with classes and stuff like that. The feeling of just walking across the stage and getting handed that diploma and like hearing your family and friends cheer for you and stuff, it's just like a huge accomplishment. It took me 5 years to finish and stuff like that, but I am extremely grateful for my college journey, and I am looking forward to this journey until adulthood and stuff. But anyway, enough of rambling. Welcome to my channel. My name is JazzJanay. My channel focuses on natural hair, lifestyle, and fashion. And today I'm coming to y'all with a unboxing. So, I don't know if y'all are like me, but when you talk about stuff like around your phone, or when you're texting about something or something like that, some way, somehow, Instagram and Facebook picks up that conversation and just starts posting all these different ads on your feed. So, me and my sister, we were talking about purses and stuff like that. And all of a sudden, I start seeing this new brand called JW Pei. I really don't know much about the brand. I really don't know like where it's stationed and stuff like that. Maybe I need to do a little bit more research on it. But my sister actually purchased me a bag from JW Pei, and this is what it comes in the box. She purchased me a bag from JW Pei for graduation, and I'm so excited because I seen it like I seen the one that she picked and stuff like that, because she was asking me which one I wanted and stuff like that. So I already seen like what it looks like, but I really haven't seen it in person yet. So I saved the video for you guys to see, and let's get into it. I crimped my hair, y'all. This is still the same style. I've had it in for over a month now, and the hair is still doing awesome. I got it from this girl named Valoria, and she has a website, Get Pretty with V. I will link it right here, and I will also link the website down below. She is a hairstylist here in the Birmingham area. So yeah, that's just a little plug for her. But anyway, so let's get into the unboxing of JW Pei. So it came in this very aesthetically pleasing box, and it's marble, and then it has the JW Pei written in gold. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I just thought it was very aesthetically pleasing and just so cute. I will use this box. It's going to be set up in my room somewhere, because my room has hints of like marble here and there with some of the decorations. So yeah, this is going to stay in my room. So the box opens, it's just the top, and this is how the bag comes. It has its own little dust bag, almost kind of like these little luxury bags you be seeing. So this is how it comes. This is the dust bag, and it also says JW Pei. So let's just take it out. And this is the bag. It is so cute. It's very sturdy. It's not like floppy or anything like that. It has a pocket in the back, and then it has the JW Pei logo right here. And if you look closely, it's almost like a crocodile. Yeah, I want to say like crocodile. Like crocodile. What is the word? Texture. Crocodile texture. Anyway, so it's like the crocodile texture. It's very pretty. It will go with so many looks. My little classy looks. And it's like a good size. Oh, I got on sweatpants. Anyway, but it's like a good size. You can see it's like, you know, almost as tall as my hand. But yeah, so it flaps open like that, and it just has all the paper inside of it. So let's take that out. And it comes with a strap Oh, okay, so it has a tag on the inside. It's the Friday by JW Pei. So that's the tag. And then on the inside, it is stitched in there as well. Friday by JW Pei. And it also has a zipper compartment in here as well. I'm trying to see, did it come with a card? No, it didn't. So it also comes with a little strap. Oh, this is nice. This is so nice. Wow. So it comes with a little strap as well. So you can either carry your purse. Let's see. You can, oh, and it snaps easily too. I like that because I have a really hard time with some of my purses that snap like that at the front. They really don't want to catch on to the button. So I like how easy that was to snap and goes right back into place. I really like that. So you can either have it holding in your hand, which is, this is probably how I carry it most of the time. But when I'm like really like out and about, I will put the straps on. So okay, so you go with these rings right here. So it's these little rings, they clip right there, and you can take off the hand strap. Okay, that was a little hard, but that's just because I'm reflected. But you can take off the hand straps and put on the so make sure you do this at home. Don't try to do this when you're out and about trying to change up your straps, because this is, it's not that hard, it's just a little time consuming. So yeah, so this is the bag with the strap on it. Strap is pretty strap is pretty long, falls on me in a good area. So you can do it like that, you can do it crossbody, or you can do it just hanging on your shoulder. So yes, I really like this bag. Thought that was very cute. These bags, I think they run like, they have sales on there. I will link the bag down below, but I want to say these bags run like $30 or $40. So it's really not that bad, especially for the quality and stuff like that. And if you want, like, if you don't want to spend like $100 and something or $200, $300, $400, $500, $600, you don't want to spend all that money on a nice bag, I'll say this is a pretty good bag to invest in for $30 or $40. Pretty good material, pretty good quality, and I really like these. And I'm not just saying this. My sister did a good job with buying this. But yeah, I was about to say something, but I can't remember what I was about to say. I forgot what I was about to say. But yeah, I got another unboxing coming, so stay tuned. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me some video ideas down below. And I graduated! Anyway, so yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.